May I start, sir?
Okay, just a second, Siddhika, just a second. Okay, so boys and girls, everyone please concentrate, listen, keep your book and pencil ready because we are going to start the class, and today's class will be started by Siddhika from Ramnagar. Please start.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Academic year 2020-2021, when Spoken English Personality Development Training from Color Foundation placed Bangalore. Respected dignitaries from the Color Foundation and wonderful girls and boys, a very, very good afternoon, everyone. As I'm present, my highest gratitude, I would like to introduce myself.
Wait. Sir, our technical team, we have two boys here, Vaibhav and Swami. I think they don't know how to operate and function the mobile. This is the first time. They are disturbing. Vaibhav and Swami, please mute yourself as I said. And whatever you want to do, you do. There are two screens also. I don't know what they are doing. Maybe first time. Okay, please continue, Siddhika.
As a present, my highest gratitude, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siddhika and I'm present here to give the training of spoken English and personality development from the Color Foundation. From the bottom of my heart, first I would like to welcome respected Shahnawaz sir and Colors team. All boys and girls present on the screen. Thank you very much for the coming. I heartily welcome to all. I hope and I wish everyone get benefit from this class. This section meaning I hope utilize this class, this training. Thank you so much, everyone.
All right, that was an awesome.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Speaker.
सर आपका आवाज
या स्वामी एंड वैभव, मेरा आवाज इसीलिए नहीं आ रहा है, तुम्हारा हेडफोन बराबर नहीं है. तुम्हारा हेडफोन, तुम्हारा मोबाइल चेक करो, सब लोग को आवाज आ रहा है, सिर्फ तुम्हारे को नहीं आवाज आ रहा है. स्वामी एंड वैभव. ओके, स्वामी और वैभव, तुम कहां से हो? कौन सी जगह से हो तुम? Okay, no problem. So I think they are from the rural areas, boys and girls. That is the thing. Otherwise, in the urban, it doesn't happen like this. So I think from the background, we can understand they are from the rural area. So the network problem. Okay, Siddhika from Ramnagar. Excellent, awesome, amazing. Boys and girls, we are going to appreciate her by option 1 clapping or option B saying well done Siddhika. Which one do you want to choose? Option 1 or option 2? Boys and girls, my dear students.
Option 1.
Option 1.
All right. All right, everyone unmute yourself and start clapping. Well done, Siddhika. Claps.
Well done, Siddhika.
Okay, so without wasting the time, let us start. Yeah, on the screen we can see. Before starting the class, as we proceed, and already she has given the wonderful welcome speech. Siddhika, may I know your qualification?
Yes, sir.
What's your qualification?
I'm trying second PU, commerce.
You are from the stream commerce. You are a second PU student, right?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Siddhika. All right, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate. Okay, so boys and girls, here we go. And just small memory checking of all the students. Okay, we are going to check your memory. Can anyone tell me? It's good afternoon, Zeba. Okay, so it's an humble request. While I'm speaking, no one has to speak. Okay. Yeah, Azra in the chat box, sir, you gave homework yesterday. All right, fine. So just the memory checking, as I was saying, boys and girls, can any one girl remind me what we did in the previous class or yesterday's training or session? So I would like, wait, yeah. Okay, so what we are going to do is here, what is happening if I'm saying you unmute yourself all at a time are giving the answer. So from today or from tomorrow, maybe from the next week, I will be making a volunteers, I will make a leaders, and everyone will get the chance to whomever I ask only they will give the answer. Okay, right now this class, okay, this is also one kind of an experience. From the next time there will be volunteers and leaders. Okay, yeah, in the chat box we got the message coding and decoding. So I would like to ask Nasibunisa. Nasibunisa,
Yes, sir.
please unmute yourself and explain what was the homework.
Yes, sir. Yesterday you had given 8 words. Coding means we have to do the decoding.
Okay, can you please tell me that words?
No, sir, I didn't do. Yesterday I was a little busy. I have not done.
Okay. Okay, that is an honest and humble answer. So it's very good
Sir, can
that
I
she has
say,
not
sir?
done. Yeah, Mariam Kareem, please say it, what you want to say.
The answers which I have wrote.
Okay, you want to say the answers? No, 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 no. Mariam, please wait. Answers I'm going to check, but I just want to see that whether who has done the homework and who has not, because it is an 40 minutes training and I'm giving you few homeworks. So I'm just checking whether you are making sure that you are disciplined and concentrating on homework or not, because in the future there will be a lot of homework, right? So boys and girls, here is the deal. Everyone show your homework on the screen if you have done. And I mean to say screen should be visible first. Yeah, good, good. All right, remaining boys and girls. Now, obviously, who are attending this class for the first time, you don't have any idea, no problem, no need to show. Remaining, yeah, Muhammad Anas, Tasmiya Khanum, Charu, Shabil Shahar, good. Shafia Sultana, Amina Huzur, Yasin Ahmad, Sima Banu, good. Well done. That's impressive. That is what the clicks, you know. And here we have the different yeah, the screen 2 and screen 3 also everyone is sharing. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Everyone has done the homework. Well done, and I appreciate that. Now the problem is any one girl has to say this homework. She is going to explain. Okay. So obviously we are going to give the chance to Tasmiya Khanum. Tasmiya Khanum, would you like to try by explaining your homework? Okay, let us give the chance to, yeah, Mariam Kareem. Mariam coming, Maria come here.
Yes,
Please
sir.
start. Please start.
Earth, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Pluto, Milky Way.
Okay, so the answers we are looking for here is Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Pluto, Milky Way. Okay. Swami, this is the last warning. Mute yourself. स्वामी एंड वैभव, तुम्हारे को आवाज नहीं आएगी, तुम्हारा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. ऑलरेडी क्लास स्टार्ट हो चुका है. स्वामी और वैभव, तुम्हारे को ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ेगी. This is the first time you are attending. You don't know how to operate and function your mobile. Okay, thank you very much, Mariam Kareem. So boys and girls, just now the homework was said by Mariam Kareem. Do you think the answer was right? All the answers you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please repeat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bushra Fatima, you are in the morning batch. Don't worry. You are come in the afternoon batch. Don't worry. I will explain you in the morning batch. Okay, Bushra Fatima, please. Okay, now Mariam Kareem, the Mariam Kareem, spoken English. Listen carefully. Spoken English is all about the statements and the kind of explanation you give. Your answer, your homework, what you said was well and good. So I would like to request Seema Banu to explain the same homework in details. Now I'm going to show the demo. So the number which you gave was 13, 5, 18, 3, 21, 18, and 25. And the answer for this is MERCURY, Mercury. All right. This is not for Mariam Kareem and this is not for particular student. This is for all. Because when you are expressing something, when you are saying something, it should be in details, very slowly, and it should be said very politely and peacefully. Seema Banu, are you ready? The way I gave the demo.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay.
May I start?
Please start. Please start.
Okay. So the first one was 13 plus 5 plus 18 plus 3 plus 21 plus 18 plus 25. The answer is MERCURY. That is mercury. And the second one is 22 plus 5 plus 14 plus 21 plus 19. That is VENUS, Venus. And the third one is 5 plus 1 plus 18 plus 20 plus 8. That is EARTH. The answer is Earth. And the fourth one is 13 plus 15 plus 15 plus 14. So the answer is MOON, moon. Next is 13 plus 1 plus 18 plus 19. That is MARS, Mars. Next is 10 plus 21 plus 16 plus 9 plus 20 plus 5 plus 18. That is JUPITER, Jupiter. Next is 16 plus 12 plus 21 plus 20 plus 15. That is PLUTO, Pluto. Next, the last one is 13 plus 9 plus 12 plus 11 plus 25 plus 23 plus 1 plus 25. And the answer is MILKYWAY, Milky Way. And these all are planets that which we learn in
Solar
the science.
system.
Jazakallah.
Solar system.
Yes, solar system.
All right. Okay. I'll share my experience, boys and girls. It's like, dear passengers, flight number 102348 Air India will be departing from the gate number 23 very shortly. You are requested to attend the gate number 23 ASAP, as soon as possible. So the feeling was that. And this is the way we describe the spoken English. We speak in this way. It should be very fluent the way Sima Banu spoke. Okay, Sima Banu, thank you very much. So boys and girls, unmute yourself once
Thank
again.
you, sir.
And we are going to give her a big round of applause. We are going to clap for her. We are going to join our hands together. Unmute yourself and start clapping. Everyone.
Thank you so much for all.
Okay. So this is the way you get the reply. Thank you very much to all. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. It was my pleasure. Thank you very much for everyone giving me this wonderful opinion and giving me the chance to speak. All right. So what happens here, boys and girls, it is not the end of spoken English. You give a single answer. There should be an creativity, as I said, you know, and we saw when like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's video, he used the word creativity, right? Is there nothing but in spreading the knowledge, learning until unless you reach your aim, goal, and vision. Okay, so we move forward, and before moving the forward is like coding and decoding. We are coming to a next session. Okay, before that, I just want to know the code. What is your code? I'm not asking about your name. I'm asking the code of your name. So first, I'm going to ask Tamanna. Tamanna, what is your code?
So my code was 64.
64. Okay, so you understand, boys and girls, what I'm trying to say here is, in the future, when you are going to decipher the code, that this is the way you get the code. What is your code? They won't call you by your name. They will call you by your code. Okay, fine. Here we go. So boys and girls, I hope everyone's, my dear students, pen and pencil is ready along with your books. So please write down the next coding and decoding. And as we said, this is the last class of coding and coding. Next will be grammar and spoken English, followed by personality development and how to attend the interview. Okay, we are going to learn step by step everything, because as you know, some students here are from the school, some are from college, and some are like doctor, lawyers, and engineers, everyone combined together. So boys and girls, please write down two words, that is vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. I'm going to spell it here. VOWELS, vowels, and consonant spelling is CONSONANTS. Okay, so my dear students, you are going to say this, you are going to repeat this, what I'm going to say. Sir, excuse me, sir, I would like to explain what is vowels and what is consonants. One more time, boys and girls, listen carefully. Excuse me, sir, I would like to explain what is vowels and what is consonants. Yes, who wants to try?
Excuse me, sir. I want to explain what is vowels and consonants.
Yes, Bushra Fatima, very good. Okay, everyone keep quiet. Bushra Fatima is going to explain. Bushra Fatima, your headphone speaker, please keep it near to your lips so everyone
Yes,
can
sir.
listen. Please start.
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Vowels are A, E, I, R, U, and consonants are the remaining words from A, E, I, R, O, U from all the alphabets.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Bushra Fatima. Bushra Fatima, what's your qualification?
I'm a seventh standard student, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Mute yourself. All right. So just now you heard, boys and girls, our next step of coding and decoding is related to the vowels and consonant. And according to Bushra Fatima, vowels are the 5 letters or alphabets we use, that is A, E, I, O, U, and remaining 21 letters or remaining 21 alphabets will be called as consonants. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. That is the remaining consonants. Okay, thank you very much, Bushra Fatima. Thank you. Okay, one more chance. Anyone else want to try? What is vowels and what is consonants? Okay, fine. Let us move forward. I just want to say, yeah, Nasibunisa, please start.
Yes, sir. In English alphabet, we have 26 letters. In 26 letters, 5 letters are special are called vowels. Remaining letters are called consonants. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants.
Thank you very much. Okay, that was very, very smart. That is very, very smart, that vowels and consonants. So, as we said, this is the spoken English class as well as the personality development class, as well as in this batch, we have very, very smart students. So, I'm going to check your smartness. Tell me the word which has all the vowels. I'm going to give you one demo, and that demo word is education. E, D, U, C, A, T-I-O-N. Education has all the vowels, that is A-E-I-O-U. So boys and girls, take your pen, pencil and book and write any 3 words which has vowels. I'm just going to give you 30 seconds.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Siddhika, your answer is ready?
Yes, sir.
Please wait, don't tell the answer. Remaining boys and girls, your time starts now. I would like to explain again. Education. Education has all the vowels, that is A-E-I-O-U. Apart from education, boys and girls, please write down 3 words which has all the vowels, that is A-E-I-O-U. Now you can't write social studies because social studies has all the vowels, but it is a 2 word. So I don't want 2 words, I want 1 word. For example, education. You have to say, sir, my name. No, you are not supposed to say the answer, Zaiva. Please don't say the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you are going to say one by one, sir, my name is Tamanna and I have completed the task. Sir, my name is Muhammad Anas and I have completed the task. Sir, my name is Tasmia Khanum and I have completed the task. After that, I'm going to ask the answer. So here, all the students can understand, you know. And let us see. Last 10 seconds. Everyone busy in searching. Abdul Hafiz. Yeah. Abdul Hafiz, did you complete this?
Yeah.
Okay, Abdul Hafiz, I'll just come back to it.
The word is automobile.
Excuse me, sir.
Abdul Hafiz, you are not supposed to say the answer. Please wait for this. Yeah, Ume Kulsum, did you complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Ume Kulsum. I'll just get back to you because last 10 seconds, boys and girls. Yeah, Mariam Karim, did you complete?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir.
I have completed.
Thank you, Nasibunisa. I will get back to you. Okay, boys and girls, my dear students, last 5 seconds. And after that, we are going to check the answers. Let us hope that we get in different kinds of answers and the answers will be like creative. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, boys and girls, Tasmia Khanum, congratulations. Let us move forward. Okay, boys and girls, stop writing. Boys and girls, my dear students, stop writing and we are going to check the answer as according to the person who finished first. So the answers who are going to give, I said you to write down 3 words. You can write more than that also. So first it will be Siddiqa, second it will be Abdul Hafiz, and followed by third, fourth, and fifth. Siddiqa, please say the answers in which all the vowels are present. Please say the word.
Favorite.
You have to spell it, Siddiqa.
F
No,
A
Siddiqa.
V O.
Siddiqa,
Sir?
just now I
Yes,
said
sir.
you have to say, excuse me, sir, my first word is favorite, and the spelling of the favorite is F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please continue, Siddiqa.
Excuse me, sir. My first
Yeah.
is favorite, and spelling is
Okay.
F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. My second
Okay.
word is behavior.
Okay.
B-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R. My third
Good.
word is communicate.
Okay.
C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Abdul Hafiz. Let's
Yes,
check
sir.
your answer, Abdul Hafiz. Yeah.
Yes. My first answer is automobile.
Spell it.
A-U-T-O-M-O-B-I-L-E.
Good.
And my second answer is authorize. A-U-T-H-O-R-I-Z-E.
Okay.
And my third answer is education.
Okay.
E-D-U-C-A-C-I-O-N.
Well done, Abdul Hafiz. Excellent. Okay, next who wants to try? Nasibunisa, you are next.
Yes, sir. My first word is precaution. P-R-E-C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Precaution. My second word
Okay.
is regulations. R-E-G-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. My third word is misbehavior. M-I-S-B-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R. Misbehavior.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Who wants to try next?
Sir. Excuse me,
Excuse me, sir.
May I, sir?
Yeah. Wait. Ume Falak and Bushra Fatima, please wait. Now let me tell you, boys and girls, we are running out of the time and we have the next competition and homework also. So I would like to request all the boys and girls, if you have a different answer, we finish education, precaution, behavior, favorite, and communicate and authorize. So if you have different answer, please say it. We will go forward. If the same answer, no need to say. Yeah,
Sir, I
Bushra
have
Fatima, different answer. Please tell me, Bushra.
My first word is unexceptionally. That is UNEXCEPTIONALLY. Unexceptionally. And the
Okay.
second word is documentarily. DOCUMANTIRILY. Documentarily. And the
Okay.
third word is communicatively. COMMUNICATIVELY. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bushra Fatima, you are in 7th standard, and once you will be in college, I don't know what you are going to do. Excellent, Bushra Fatima. That was exactly. Azra and Zainab has message relation. No, in relation there is no U, so relation is wrong. I just said AEIOU. So if you are saying the answer relation, no, U is not present, so that is not an correct answer. All right, we got the different kinds of answers and varieties of
Excuse
answers.
me,
Well done,
sir.
all the. Yeah, Charu.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, please say it.
My first word is pandemonium. P-A-N-D-E-M-O-N-I-U-M. Pandemonium. My second word is conversation. C-O-N-V-E-R-S-A-T-I-O-N. My third
No, in
word is English.
Charu, in conversation, there is no you. I hope. Okay, go for the third word.
Telecommunication.
Illustration.
Yeah.
I-L-L-U-S-T-R-A-T-I-O-N.
Okay. Thank you very much. We got the answer cauliflower. In cauliflower, A-E-I-O-U. Yeah, evaluation. Okay. Excellent. Boys and girls, this is the best batch. And I wonder your future is very, very bright. Yeah, seriously, seriously, pneumonia. Yeah, good. Different kinds of answer. Okay, thank you very much. Ethiopia. Okay, let's move forward. So boys and girls, keep your pencils and book ready because I'm going to explain first. I would like to request our technical team that I want to share the screen. Host disabled participant screen sharing. Yeah, I just want to share my screen. Yeah, now I'm able to share. Boys and girls, is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clearly.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yeah, so boys and girls, it is showing you are viewing Shahid's screen, Shahidullah's screen. So boys and girls, you did not read the name and you told by name. It's not my screen. It is one of our technicals team, that is Shahidullah. Can you see the name? You are viewing Shahidullah's screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the first time I am telling you are very, very smart. You are saying it's my screen. Okay, thank you very much. I'm just joking, okay? No, still I'm unable to share the screen. Okay, just wait. Sorry for the inconvenience, boys and girls. Okay, till I can share my screen, I just want to spell your name without the vowels. For example, my name is SHAHNAWAZAFZAL. If I remove all the A's, that is vowels, my name will be Sunzumfuzul. Sunzumfuzul. So what will be your name without vowels? Boys and girls, I hope you understood. What will be your names
SM.
without vowels? SM Banu. Because you will remove AU also in Banu. So SM Banu. Saman Banu. Yeah, anyone else?
Zumban.
Zumban.
Syed Bushra.
Oh, Bashar. Bashar. Yeah, Syed Bashar. Zumban.
BHR.
May I, sir?
Okay. Yeah, please start.
Zarban.
Zarban. Oh my God. Why I am asking this? We should understand the importance of vowels. Okay, how much importance in the English grammar in spoken English vowels are how much important. Okay, fine. I hope everyone understood. Okay, so can anyone tell me here how many vowels are present in headmaster? I hope everyone can see my screen. How many vowels are present in headmaster?
Sir, may I? Four, sir. Sir, four, sir.
Two. Only
There
two.
are four
AE.
vowels in headmaster.
Two, sir.
Okay.
Two vowels, sir. Repeated again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can anyone explain in details 4 or 2?
Two vowels which are repeated again. Same vowels. AE.
May I?
Yes. Yeah, please start.
The word is headmaster, and there are two vowels, A and E. They are repeated twice. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. There are two vowels A and E, and that has been repeated twice. That is what we are expecting, because here we are practicing spoken English also. So, okay. So I asked you there are how many vowels? Oh, someone's background disturbance. Please mute yourself. Okay. Who is that? Who is that? Yeah, okay, done. Boys and girls, here I have written that headmaster. Now I'm not talking about the vowels. I'm talking apart from the vowels, which are the letters and the alphabets remaining, and how many they are. And this is one of the demo. So headmaster, apart from the vowels in the word headmaster, there are 6 letters, and that is H, D, M, S, T, R. Okay, so your how to code and decoding your next topic will be like as if I'm typing here the letter C-A-T-E-R, just a sec, boys and girls. C-A-T-E-R, catcher, P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar. Okay, so I have given the demo of the headmaster. Okay, in the same way I will give you different words. So my way of explaining is, apart from the vowel in a particular word, how many letters are present, and you are going to write down in numbers also and in the alphabets also. For example, you are going to write down, sir, in Headmaster, apart from the vowels, there are 6 letters and alphabets remaining, and that letters and alphabets are H, D, M, S, T, R. Okay, unmute yourself and you have to say, yes, sir, we understood.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
We
we
understood.
We have got it.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Got it.
Yes,
Got
sir, we
it, sir.
understood.
Okay, so in
We understood
Caterpillar,
clearly, sir.
it will be, yeah, thank you. In Caterpillar, it will be C, T, R, P, double
Sir, may
L,
I say?
R.
May I say, sir?
Yeah, Bushra, please say
Yes,
it.
sir. The word is caterpillar, and if we remove the vowels from that, the word,
Shahnawaz sir, we have just 2 minutes.
it will be 7 words.
Okay, I'm extremely sorry, boys and girls, that just now we got the message from our technical teams, only 2 minutes remaining. So boys and girls, that's 2 minutes I will be utilizing. I can give you the homework, but I think slow and steady will win the race. Okay, so what you are going to do is, we'll do it tomorrow because messages are very important this week. And after next week, there will be no welcome speech, there will be no vote of thanks, there will be no messages. Directly we will concentrate on concepts. So please listen the messages. The message is from our Colors team, that is, boys and girls, it's an humble request. You have to subscribe the channel, that is Colors Foundation. Now why we are repeating again and again? Because someone is saying, oh, we have already subscribed, but your name is not coming on the YouTube channel. And someone is saying, sir, we liked, shared and comment. No, we could not see your like as well as share as well as your comment. You have to comment, like and share, and you have to subscribe. And last but not the least, you have to watch the video first. If the more you watch the video, the more the features will be unlocked from the YouTube channel. I'm repeating this again and again. So once again, inform your friends, relatives, neighbors, and all the peoples around you to subscribe this channel, to join the spoken English classes, and also to like, comment and share and watch the video. That is Colors Foundation channel, that is on YouTube channel. Okay, and I just wanted to know, boys and girls, did everyone got the link of this channel, how to subscribe? Everyone got the link?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I
Yes.
got.
Yes, sir.
If you,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
if you have received
Yes,
the
sir.
link,
Yes, sir.
just click the link. Okay, just click the link, just watch the videos. Okay, who has missed the class, just comment, share, like and forward this link to your friends in your WhatsApp group. So what will happen, they will also subscribe this. Okay, it is the time to vote of thanks. Who is doing today's vote of thanks? Vote of thanks means the ending speech. Anyone wants to try, or shall I continue with that?
Sir, you continue.
All right, thank you very much. So I'm going to do today vote of thanks, and after that, I hope remaining students should do from tomorrow. The vote of thanks is like this. Here we go.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
There is no homework today.
there is a homework, but first vote of thanks. If the time is remaining, I will give you the homework. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So the vote of thanks. Yeah, vote of thanks is like this. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammed Shahnawaz, and I'm the spoken English trainer as well as personality development trainer from Colors Foundation. And today I'm present here to deliver the vote of thanks. From the bottom of my heart, first I would like to thank the Color team and all the boys and girls present here on the screen. Thank you very much for coming one and all, and thank you very much for giving this opportunity to deliver the vote of thanks. Thank you very much, all the boys and girls. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much once again. That's all you have to do, boys and girls. Okay. Okay, write down your homework, the Headmaster and Caterpillar. How I have shown the demo. The first word is Pluto, P-L-U-T-O. P-L-U-T-O. The second word is Goofy, G-O-O-F-Y, Goofy. The third word is Playhouse, P-L-A-Y-H-O-U-S-E, Playhouse. The fourth word is Disneyland, D-I-S-N-E-Y-L-A-N-D, Disneyland. The next word is Donald Duck, D-O-N-A-L-D, Donald, D-U-C-K, Duck. And the last